everyone. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is MommaSon. Today we don't have anything special going on. I'm just gonna give you a quick update on my small garden around my house. So summer just passed and it's already fall season. As you know, we don't have that um, browning and yellowing of the leaves, but we have a lot of leaves on the ground as a mess. So let me just give you a quick tour, small portion snippets about my plants in my garden or yard that I keep on working on summertime, even though it's super hot here in summer. So it's a little bit cooler now, which is a good part of the year, and I could either plant more plants, plant more trees, put them in a pot or whatever. But let's go. Hello birdies, how we doing? I know what's going on. You want some food? Oh, also have some figs, fig fruit. This is white fig fruits, and they're constantly bearing fruits, and I'm happy about that. And that's the pest bird right over there. If you can see him in the middle, he's sorta kinda like my friend, but he irritates me sometimes because he makes so much noise. More figs right over there. And that's just my wiener dog, Horn. And he's such a pain in the butt. And this is my dragon eye fruit, or longan. I had it for 2 years already, but for some reason it doesn't have any fruits yet. And these are my Vanda orchids. I planted this just before summer or maybe early part of the year, and so far it doesn't have any blooms yet. I just kind of leave them alone. And Vanda orchids are actually orchids that are common in the Philippines, and they're prettier there. And sadly, this is just one of my Phalaenopsis orchids, and I think this is the only one surviving from several ones that I bought in early part of the year. And I'm kind of happy that it has like little spikes, so it will probably flower pretty soon. So I'm just gonna keep it on the shade. I'm really excited about this one because this is my Valencia orange that I bought from Home Depot like maybe a year ago, and it has fruits. I have one here, and it's almost ripe, and I have another one here. There's about 4 of them actually. Was it 4? Yeah, 4. So I have one here, I have another one here, and this is Valencia orange. This is my sorry looking mandarin orange. I planted it in a pot so I can move it around, but I'll probably move it somewhere next time. And this is my favorite butterfly plant, which is the milkweed. It looks kind of sad looking right now, but just wait until it starts blooming again. It almost died during the summertime because we have a record-breaking heat here in Hawaii, but it will bounce back. This is my fig tree. I think this is a purple flesh fig tree that I purchased it online, and I got it from a nursery in Florida, and it's thriving, and I can't wait for it to grow some more and maybe give me some fruit someday. I'm sorry, there's a lot of mess, but I will take care of that pineapple plant, a couple of them that I bought from the store as a fruit, and then I just chop off the crown and then replanted it, and I just planted for decorative purpose. This is kiawe tree over there, and they're pretty much prolific here in Hawaii. I like it because it gives us shade, but I'll probably trim it because it's getting out of hand. These are ube plants that I have bought from Home Depot also, and part of it kind of climbed up into the tree. I just gonna leave it alone and see what will happen someday. Maybe it will give me more fruits. more ube plants or roots that I can actually boil and make into ube halaya or ube jam or something. This is my rosemary plants. I like it for marinating purposes of certain meats, like for your roast beef, or also additional plant to use for marinating your turkey for Thanksgiving. It smells really heavenly. This is my Okinawan sweet potato. I like it for the leaves, and also I love it for its roots. Or sweet potatoes are easy to propagate. All you need to do is chop up this part of the plant, and you can either stick it in a damp potting soil or potting mix and wait for like a few weeks and you're good to go. Of course, I have desert rose. Somebody gave this to me a year ago. It kind of died out, but it's alive again because we have cooler weather now, and it doesn't have any blooms yet, but once it blooms it has like a baby pinkish, almost like a ruby reddish color blooms to it. So that's your I have a grape plant, and I kind of tend to overlooked it because it was so hot. I didn't want to work in the yard. These are just potted variety of table grapes, but I will transfer it in a location where it can thrive and probably give me some fruits in coming years. These are my orchids. Some of them pretty much died because of the heat, but they're still here. They're kind of hanging around, and I'll take care of it because they have lovely blooms if they started blooming. I have several of these. These are called dragon fruit bloom, and this is the second bloom that I have. It actually, the first one died because of I don't know, maybe because it wasn't healthy enough or it's missing something. I have several dragon fruit plants like this all over my yard. No fruits yet, but let's just be patient and hang on. It will give us like a beautiful bloom probably either tomorrow or the day after. The best part of having a small garden, a small yard, is to have your one of your favorite fruit trees of all. I have a mango tree in my yard, and this mango tree is actually a little bit just few inches taller than me. So if you haven't seen a short mango but does give you a lot of fruits, here it is. I have a mango behind me, and the mango tree is really short, and all you need to do is just keep cutting him to your equal height. Then you can easily harvest the fruit. You don't have to climb it or use like a fruit pick to harvest it. So that's the mango. This is the mango tree I have right here. What is this? So there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed what I just shown, and I'll give you an update next time. Have a great day and aloha. Thank you so much. Bye bye.